My name is Salena. I'm going to read a poem for you. It's a nice autumn one called Dog Days Done. Summer lifts her skirt, revealing a glimmer of amber, light and yellow. Summer takes her time to pack her belongings, her weary butterflies and thirsty bees. And somewhere in a distant field, August writes goodbye letters in gold on hay and corn and chestnut and yew. The morning after the first thunderstorm, you'll open the window and smell it changed. Wafts of smoke and rain and past. This ending is a beginning. Make hay, make love. Gather bilberries and blackberries. Dog days done, Sirius is south. The last burst of roses, apples and cider. The Lugnasa feast, the tomato harvest. The fruits so red and ripe in September's hands. Summer feeding autumn's mouth. Thank you.